So in this problem, this arc is 20 degrees. This arc we don't know. And this arc is 104 degrees. The relationship with the angle whose vertex is on the outside of the circle is this. That angle whose vertex is on the outside has a measure that's 1/2 of the difference between the large arc and the small arc that it intercepts, which is the green one minus the blue one. So to find x, we need to know what both of these arcs are. This one is 20, but the green one we don't know. So this question comes down to, can you find the measure of the big green arc? And of course we can, because this is a diameter of the circle. So on the side of the diameter, we have a semicircle, which is 180 degrees. So 20 plus 104 plus the green has to be a 180 degree arc. So if we subtract 124 from both sides, then we're left with the measure of the big arc, which is 56 degrees. So x is 1/2 of 56 minus 20, which is 36. And there we have it. X is 18. And that's how we do number 25.